What's up, tech fans? Welcome back to Technology Trends, your front row pass to the hottest device launches. Before we unfold today's scoop, tap subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tech breakthrough. Samsung has just dropped an official teaser for the Galaxy Z Fold 7, hyping it as the thinnest, lightest, and most advanced fold yet. And they're calling it the Ultra Experience. Intriguing, right? The teaser flaunts a razor-thin profile even when folded and a noticeably larger camera bump, hinting at powerful imaging tech. Samsung promises Ultra Experience across the board, from build and display to eye-packed performance. Leaks and teaser footage suggest an 8.2-inch foldable interior display with a 6.5-inch cover screen, both super slim and sleek. When unfolded, the phone measures around 4.5 mm thick, making it Samsung's thinnest fold yet. The teaser hints at a robust triple-camera setup with a 200-megapixels main sensor, likely borrowing the S25 Ultra's powerhouse shooter. Expect Samsung's new Pro Visual Engine AI to boost zoom, stabilization, and image quality big time. Under the hood, you're looking at the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and Galaxy AI support baked into One UI 8, tentatively running on Android 16. And yes, improved durability, a reinforced hinge, and ultra-light build add polish to the design. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event is rumored for July 13, 2025, where the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 will take the stage. Pricing hasn't been confirmed yet, but expect it close to last year's $1,899 starting point. Samsung is positioning the Galaxy Z Fold 7 as the ultimate Ultra experience, thinner, smarter, and more powerful than ever. Are you ready to fold into the future? Drop your hype level in the comments. Are you Team Ultra Fold? If you're excited for the Fold 7, hit like, share with a Foldable fan, and subscribe for more leaks, reveals, and reviews.